This video app review is brought to you by the iPhone appreview.com.
Hey everyone, Sarah Hanlon here with the iPhone appreview.com, and today we're taking a look at Drew and the Cyberbully, which is an interactive storybook by Charter Road Productions. It's available to download from the App Store for free, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works. Drew and the Cyberbully goes into detail about how children should interact with others on social media, and what happens if they don't have a good interaction with somebody who ends up being negative and turns into a cyberbully. So this is the main screen of Drew and the Cyberbully. It's the title page, and as you can see, everything on the page is interactive, has sound effects and whatnot. One of the things that I do want to mention, you can't really see when you download the app. Over here on the right here, you have language selection. Unfortunately, there's no English selection, but English is just blank. But you can see you have Chinese and you have Spanish. Tap it till it's blank and you're back to English. So to navigate through the pages of Drew and the Cyberbully, all you have to do is tap the purple arrows at the bottom right hand side of the screen, and you can see here Drew and Boo use the internet for fun and school, and it goes through a few scenes, and like I said, everything on the page is interactive, has sound effects, all sorts of animations, so it's definitely fun for kids to kind of explore the page and see, what does what. And as far as transitions and graphics, I think the illustrations are great. We've reviewed books by this publisher in the past, Drew Meets Boo and Drew's Dancing Drum, and everything that I liked in those books are in this book too, which is really nice because, like I said, everything is interactive, kids are going to like it, and there's a really important story, moral of a story that's in the book. And as far as narration goes, that's usually something I'm a stickler about. If there's narration in a book or if it's lacking, if you're trusting your child with social media, probably don't need narration in the story. But I think it's a really great way for kids to learn about social media interactions and how they should interact with others while talking to them over the internet. So, in the interest of not spoiling the entire storyline by going through it in the review, I'm going to go ahead, hit the home button, navigate back to the title page, and one of the things that I really like about Drew and the Cyberbully is that it's got a table of contents. And this is also where you can change your music settings and your sound settings, so you can navigate to any page within the book. This is great in case you have to leave off somewhere because you have to stop reading, or if one of the pages is, really fun for your child, a lot of interactive elements, it's their favorite page, you can get back to it very easily. As far as overall thoughts on Drew and the Cyberbully, I think it's an amazing children's book that really goes into detail about how children should interact with others on social media and how they should handle people who are bullying them. Like I said, it's a book that's designed for kids old enough to communicate online with others, so narration isn't a huge deal, but I definitely think it'll be a great addition to any child's library. Again, Drew and the Cyberbully is available to download from the App Store for free and is universally compatible with iPhone and iPad. This has been Sarah Hanlon with the iPhone appreview.com taking a look at Drew and the Cyberbully. Till next time.